All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model, this beautiful silver with black interior. It's got that two-tone leather with the vinyl-like inserts. Premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, super nice. Best of all, minimal damage around the body. Looks good, only 43,000 miles on this vehicle. Front bumper looks pretty good. Does seem to have a little chip there and another one there. Hood looks good. The fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Front driver's rim. Sorry, I don't see any curbing. Tire third is over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. The rear driver's rim. Tire third just over 7/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see anything dents or anything up there. But you got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. As you can see, it's got that vinyl with the that leather like with the vinyl. I mean with the shoot, I forgot the name of it. Anyway, it comes with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. I'm under the weather today. That's why I sound a little crazy on this. It's very sick. Got power windows. AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Dual AC controls and also AC controls for the rear. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 45,300. Pretty much completes the tour. Open things up. Little power buttons up there. Keep moving. See, lights are on. Here's your rear passenger seat. Fellas, say no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear passenger seat, third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Rear running ACs and the AC controls right up there. Little button here. Slides that door. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Rear trunk space looks pretty good. That little button here closes that up. Of course, those seats do stow and go, like the vehicle says. Deck lid looks pretty good. This quarter looks pretty decent. Here's a rear passenger rim. Very nice. Have some curbing. No, some dirt. Tire third is over 7/32. This door looks good. This front door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Third row, likewise. No holes, no tears, no rips. Got a little button here. Closes that. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. So this one either. Looks good. Front fender looks good. For passenger rim. Does have some curbing right here. About 5 inches. Tire thread just over 7/32. Pretty much completes the tour. What's going on here? Alright, fog lights should be on. Fog lights are on. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model with 45,000 miles. You guys have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy reading.